Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom, let someone off the hook, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to allow wrongdoing to go unpunished, or to no longer have to deal with an unpleasant situation. The man didn't wake up for work when his alarm went off. He was worried his boss would see him arriving late. I think I've just been let off the hook. My manager hasn't arrived yet either. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The little boy was bold for his mother, but she decided to be lenient with him. I'm going to let him off the hook this time, considering how much he helped me clean up today. The man looked to be going to jail for a long time, until he somehow proved that he was out of town at the time of the incident. I think you're going to be let off the hook. Well done. The youth got mixed up with the wrong people and got himself in trouble. When the police officer found him, he said, I won't tell your mother about this, so I'm letting you off the hook. But stay away from those people. Now here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. The owner of the company was charged with tax evasion until his lawyer got involved. I've got you off the hook. You don't need to worry about it anymore. The meeting was scheduled for 4 p.m. but a matter of priority came up and the meeting was postponed. Thankfully, another matter has come up and we've been let off the hook. They've rescheduled the meeting. During the meeting, the employee thought they had finished. Oh, we're not finished. Don't think you're getting off the hook that easy. Where did you hear the expression, let someone off the hook? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.